Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make soup sweet corn veg full guide. Start by sautéing onions and garlic in oil until translucent, then add mixed vegetables and sweet corn. Pour in vegetable stock, bring to a gentle simmer, and cook until tender. Blend part of the soup for texture, return to the pot, season to taste, stir in a splash of cream, garnish with fresh herbs, and serve warm to enjoy. I like to walk you through ingredient choices and quick tips to keep the soup bright and flavorful. Use low-sodium stock so you can control salt levels, and pick fresh or frozen sweet corn for the best sweetness. Add peas and diced carrots for color, and choose a potato or small amount of cream to thicken. Taste as you go, and finish with lemon or herbs to brighten each bowl. Quick recommendation: if you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like the video to support the channel. On another note, I love the Echo Dot smart speaker I used while cooking. It sets music and timers hands-free and keeps my kitchen lively. Check the description for the link and other deals on that product and more. I drop helpful links so you can find it fast. Now let's get back to the video. Now we'll cover cooking technique and serving ideas so your soup feels homey and satisfying. Start with a gentle sauté and simmer. Avoid overcooking to preserve sweet corn texture. Use an immersion blender to partially puree for a creamy yet chunky finish, or fully blend for smoothness. Serve with crusty bread, a drizzle of olive oil, or chili flakes for contrast, and warm bowls to help flavors shine when you sit down to eat.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.